Fam, and welcome back to Charm Love by Carolyn. First of all, to any of my new subscribers, welcome to our charming family. Thank you for your subscription, and I hope you enjoy my videos. Well, Charm Fam, today I am going to be making two really simple pair of earrings for you all. Really simple. I'm going to be using these Tourmaline gemstones that I got from the bargain bead box like a while ago. As you know, always I got so much stuff and it'd be a while since I've had them. So yep, this is what we're using today. And also some bald head pins, some of these big size jump rings, and of course some ear wires. And for tools, I think today I'm going to use this. I'm going to use my one-step looper. And I think that's about all for tools, Charm Fam. As always, I'm gonna get this stuff sorted out for you all, and I'll be right back. All right, Charm Fam, I am back. Now, I've got it all sorted out, and it's really simple. I'm telling you, so simple. So, how is my Charm Fam doing out there today? Okay, Charm Fam, I am on my I'm on my 5th day of my split vacation. And Charm Fam, yet again, I am enjoying myself immensely. Oh my goodness, it is going to be so hard for me to go back to work come Thursday. Yeah, I go back to work Thursday, but for right now, I am just going to take it for what it is, and I am going to enjoy myself. And I hope everyone out there is doing wonderfully as well. All right, Charm Fam, this is what we're going to do. We're going to I'm going to take my head pin, and I am going to stack these little tourmaline beads onto my head pin, like so. These are multicolored, and I think I got these from the bargain bead box. I am assuming, I think so, Charm Fam. But yeah, we're just simply going to put about 8 of these onto this head pin. My little baby Tinky, she be everywhere. Earlier today, she was in the window. I was looking for her, and she was in the window. The sun is coming through my window right here, and it was like she was sunbathing, y'all. She was sunbathing. Okay, so see, this is what we have so far, and I'm just gonna place on 3 more. Doesn't have to be in a certain color. And as always, Charm Fam, like I said, you can take whatever you have in your stash and make a beautiful pair of earrings as well. You can just take my idea, the idea of it, and make it your own. All right, Charm Fam, I'm gonna find this one in a minute. I kind of gave it a test run, but okay, there we go. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to just add 1 more. And as for your listening pleasure, I have my music playing in the background for you all. Okay, Charm Fam, like for any new subscribers, my family know me. These are small and they do get me. So, I mean, if y'all stick around, y'all will get used to me. There we go. Got it. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, Charm Fam, this is what it looks like. Got 8 of my little tourmaline gemstones placed on my head pin. This light is awful. Let me see. All right, there we go. And now, what I'm going to do, Charm Fam, I'm going to take my one-step looper. I'm going to place it right in there like that. And Remember, try not to get your beads. If anybody has one of these, try not to get your beads all hooked in there together with that. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, Charm Fam, I'm just going to squeeze. And there, we have our little loop at the top. Just like so. All right, Charm Fam. Next thing I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna take this big jump ring and I'm gonna kind of open this up. It's already a little open. I'm just gonna walk it open like a jump ring, and I'm gonna actually place my earring on like so. And hopefully this will cooperate with me and close back nicely, please. All right. Because normally I would still put this on a jump ring and just make it a lot easier, but okay. All right, Charm Fam. Now, there we go. And the next thing we're going to do is we're going to simply open up jump ring, a ear wire. Place it on like that. And close that back. Now, this is what you have, Charm Fam. One really simple and cute earring using the tourmaline. And see, since that was so simple, Charm Fam, we can simply just do the other one right now on camera. It was really, really simple. Unless I can't see the holes, Charm Fam. That's why I have my music playing, because we can get quiet sometime while I search for these little small holes on these components. I just didn't want y'all be sitting there. Like I said, my original Charm Fam, they know. Any new members, y'all will learn. Now, I do understand if you be like, well, okay, I'll be back when you figure that out. But I mean, I do understand, and it's all love, Charm Fam. All love. All right, there we go. Oh, look at me trying to go fast, Charm Fam. All right, 2 more left. And there we go, 1 and 2. There. And of course, they're not going to look the same, Charm Fam, because these are multicolored tourmaline. So I couldn't just pick out all of one color. And okay, now here we go. We got our looper. Hopefully I didn't crack my bead. And sometimes my little part. There we go. Now all I'm gonna do is simply take that and bend it like so. All right, Charm Fam. That came out wonky, but it's okay, because I can always go back and fix it later. I just wanted y'all to get the idea of how to put these together in case anyone wants to try it. And I will fix this later. by the end of the video, Charm Fam. Trust me. All right, Charm Fam. We did make it work somehow. And next thing we're going to do is simply take our ear wire, place that on, and close that back, just like so. All right, Charm Fam. Now, there. There are the first pair of earrings. So now, Charm Fam, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the materials ready for the second pair of earrings, and I'll be right back with you shortly. All right, Charm Fam, I am back. Now, this is going to be another really simple pair of earrings, and of course, fall is right around the corner. I'm not sure if this counts for fall, but the color does, and it's these little Czech glass tulips that I got from Sam's bead shop, which I have not used, and I had them for a while. So yeah, I don't know if that sends a sign of fall, but yeah, I'm going to be using those. And I'm going to be using some of these little antique colored, I guess you could say, antique colored leaf charms that I got from the bargain bead box. And Charm Fam, I'm going to be using some head pins, or excuse me, Charm Fam, some eye pins. Now, I know this whole setup would have probably looked better in gold, but let me tell you, Charm Fam, I am placing an order today for some more findings, and they will include plenty of gold eye pins and head pins, because I have simply run out of gold eye pins. I can't find any anywhere. If I find some, I'm going to be sure and put them in a drawer where I can find them. But for now, Charm Fam, we're going to be doing it with the silver eye pins, some silver jump rings, and just some silver ear wires. So another quick and simple project, quick and simple earrings. I'm just going to place my little tulip on like so, and what I'm going to need to grab, because I forgot, I'm going to be making a wrapped loop, and I'm just going to simply make a wrapped loop, Charm Fam. I'm going to bend away, take my round nose pliers, come up, over, rotate my pliers, take my little tail back that way, and kind of straighten it up if I can. Kind of straighten it up a little bit, Charm Fam. Then I'm just going to wrap in that space. Now, Charm Fam, these were not the easiest eye pins. They are kind of sturdy here, so hopefully my wrap comes out okay. I tell you, these kind of sturdy head pins, and I don't know where I got them from. You know what? Yes, I do. I know. I got them from Walmart some years ago, actually. Okay, snip that off. I'm gonna try to tucky. Tuck. There we go. Because of the shape of the flower. But all right, Charm Fam, that's what we have so far. And now the next thing I'm gonna do, show you how simple these are. Just gonna take my jump ring. I'm going to carefully open that up, because I think I've been doing a number on jump rings lately. So carefully open that up, place that on my little leaf and place my little leaf onto the rest of my earring and just close that back. Nice and easy. So I can be rough on stuff, Charm Fam, sometime. All right, so that's what we're looking like so far, Charm Fam. Next thing is simply open up our ear wire, place on our earring, and close that back like so. And there. This is what we have, Charm Fam. Came out quite nice, and it's really quick and it's really simple. All right, Charm Fam, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and make this last one off camera, get the other pair of earrings, and I'll be right back and show you them together. Don't go away now. All right, Charm Fam, I'm back. And here is my finished project for today. My little multicolored tourmaline earrings, little dangle earrings, which are so cute, and they are so very lightweight with those beautiful little tourmaline gemstones. And Charm Fam, I keep hitting my little globe. Sit there, sweetie. All right, there we go. It's gonna sit there, Charm Fam. All right, and last but not least, my beautiful little Czech glass tulip earrings with my antique copper colored leaf. Kind of fall-like, because I'm ready for fall to show up. It makes me feel so cozy. But yeah, Charm Fam, there you are. That is my project for today. Thank you, thank you, thank you, everyone who stopped by, took some time out to watch me ramble and make these cute little pair of earrings. I really, really, really appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, share. It helps me out. It helps YouTube's algorithm out, and it also helps my little channel grow. All right, Charm Fam. Until next time, much love to you all, and you all have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye now.